Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwicker Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwicker Hill TV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this.
One man not sell, or 3 man not sell, or 5 man not sell. Then put up to 20 man, 21 man in a cell. Sometimes they put all 33 man not sell. They come in a cell, 33 away in a cell already, juvenile. 33 away, juvenile not sell. But getting back to NCB now. Because of the phobic now, and this is a special prison, them build up 59 cell. Meaning that them have 59 cell, so them not put 60 cell. So how the wing them set up now? You have Boys Town, Girls Town, and Swine Lane. Boys Town is known as Shanty. Right. Now, in a NCB is where me now becomes the person who I am today. So therefore, respect goes out to the whole NCB family between 1970 and 1974. Yeah, respect goes out to that. I'm not going to even call out no man name because the man them don't know who them is. But why I'm saying respect goes out to that, 59 of us was in NCB at the time. The 59 of us was all juveniles we were all under the age of 16. Put it this way. Right. The powers that be, NCB, develop it house the most, for lacking a better word, notorious juvenile in the island of Jamaica. That's what NCB hold at the time. So whether you come from Montego Bay, St. Thomas, Moran Point, or Negril Point, you end up in a NCB if you're the top road youth. That create now, because this was like my gladiator training in NCB, because it's from NCB now. When me get released from NCB, me was a total different youth, because me had established myself in a NCB as a stand-up youth, and a youth where to be take notice of and don't actually play with. So the NCB family, for lacking a better word, is actually who frame the STEPPAs, the NCB family, because the bigger man them that was in Spanish Town prison at the time, I mean big top man them, like all Pablo, Do, Bowl, right? Them man they had we under them wing. So we were like proper a squad within the system to deal with these big man. Whenever them big man have issue. Man like Donovan, left hand Donovan from Garden, who is a real Dan. Man like Sapper from Garden, because them time the Sapper I run the tailor shop in a Spanish Town, and I also learn trade on the tail and a Sapper. Anyway, after we leave and touch back road, we come find the road now. Things turn upside down. and the whole of the man them with the dog garden, gone back to Wellington Street Park. The first day I touch road, my brethren where get, me show you how the love for brethren is now. Yeah? My big brother come for me. The Saturday morning when them a release me, my big brother come for me. And my big brother ride me from Spanish Town prison. You know, the first stop my brother carry me go, for sure you know, loyalty. My brother never carry me go home, go meet my mother. I never carry me go meet my father. My big brother carry me go straight up on the hill. Them time the man, them, the commander is roughly, the general them time there is roughly, yeah, Jaraga and the general. And my big brother carry me go straight up a Raffle Yard. When I go up a Raffle Yard, man, because I can't forget this. And this is nearly 50 years ago. And I can't forget this. When I touch road, and my brother pull up a Raffle. Raffle sit down on the ice box out and gate. Glad to see me, I'm glad to see him. And we have a little glad talk. And when I look at the yard, Spy boy a cook a pot of ital stew. Yeah? And Jaler there, Jungle there, Riba there, Danny there, Juicy Badness there, Natty Bad Telefool there, right? Okra, Westpick. Yeah, Westpick. Because enough man don't know say them youth there was originally Park Youth. Westpick. This little youth where they get tough over here. I soon tell Poppy, that youth there. Where they get tough over here one at a time where. Anyway, soon his name soon come to him. But the whole of the full pack of man them there, the Starkey, every man there. Right? The food I cook and I tell Spar youth, say, listen, I soon come, I go down my yard, I check my mother, and come forward. And my way down, me and my brother ride, come up on my brother bike. Me and my ride, go down Band Street, and I see Dino from Rima. Dino. As the story go on, me tell about them youth and how them youth help develop and shape certain cultural runnings in America. I see Dino, and I start Dino, glad to see me and Dino have a talk because them time everybody was one. Me and Dino talk and thing. Then I go on my yard, meet my mother, meet my little brother and my little sister, and then take a bathe and a shower. And decide now, say me go back on the hill. Because on the hill, the man them there. So when I step on the hill, you have to know now, we not talk Warwick Hill. Because you have Warwick Hill and you have on the hill. Upon the hill, you're gone back up a park. Because which part we rest is on a hill. So I'm gone back. But this time, the hill extend to upper Raffle Yard because the whole out there so upon the hill. When they own a Danny Yard, Riba Yard, Lero Yard, or Raffle Yard, upon the hill, you're there. The whole other segment there upon the hill. Right? So, I'm going to check Raffle, but by the time I reach, the man them tell me, say, police big you, just come take Raffle. So, you'd consider that like changing of the guard. Because me come the same day me come, Raffle gone in. So, that was changing of the guard. One general come, one general get pick up. That's how that did go.